Hey guys, today we're at 6122 Rio Piedra. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, single-story home. It is 3 sides brick. It's got a patio off the back and a nice front porch here. We're going to take a look. And again, I think it's 2,100 square feet. We do have some stairs here, but not too many. Nice little front porch here. Take in the views. Here's the front entry here. I'll try and go real slow for you just to make sure you get everything. And I will be posting still shots that I took earlier just in case I go too fast. You don't want to miss anything, so I took those stills earlier. Now here we have the secondary bedrooms up front. So we'll check out bedroom number 1. Just pan through that. To the other side so you get another view here. You notice they have panel doors all throughout this house. It is in the low 300s, so if you're looking to move up from another neighborhood around here, this is definitely a neighborhood to check out. It's not a terribly large neighborhood. Got the secondary bathroom here. Some nice tile work in the bathroom. And then the other secondary bedroom. You wouldn't know it, but you're still in the city. But look at that view there in this bedroom. Looks like you're in the country. Now you have extra tall ceilings in this floor plan. You have 10-foot ceilings throughout, and then looks like you have 12-foot ceilings in the entryway here. Now we're at the entryway again, making our way back. And this is a den. We've got 2 double doors. And it's right next to the laundry area, which is off of the garage. We'll go ahead and check the den area out, and then we'll go back through the garage. Wait for that to focus up there. Now you'll notice you have tile pretty much all throughout except for the bedrooms. Get you a closer look at the tile. This is, of course, is that wood, that tile that looks like wood. Now they went ahead with the spaced out joints there, which is okay. I might prefer them to be a little smaller, but everybody likes something different. So, but it is beautiful tile. Here we are in the garage. You notice that this all these homes in here have the tankless water heaters. They're supposed to be really great with water, just an endless supply of hot water, which is great. I am also noticing here to the left that this one is plumbed for a water softener, so it doesn't come with one, but if you want one, it's right there. Also, you'll notice there's a sprinkler system, and this is a 2-car garage. It is here we can see into the attic here, and it has radiant barrier, of course, to cut down on your heating and cooling costs. And we're off to the kitchen. Oh, excuse me. Yes, I already did the den. Okay. Now, here's where we like to hang out. And again, you have a vaulted ceiling in here, so plenty of headroom. Here's your kitchen island, the breakfast. Towards the back there is going to be your family room. And then off to the side here, we have a formal dining area. And again, I have extra pictures that I will set up a link to when this video is done going live this afternoon. That way you can see anything that you may have missed that didn't come out as clear. So I just love this backsplash look. Like a subway tile that looks like a brick. Here's a closer look at the granite. I just love granite. Be sure to give a thumbs up if you see something that you really like. That way I know what it is when I'm watching the video again, and then I can make sure I show you more of those items on my next video. Okay. We're going to head back into the master bedroom. Let me give you one more shot of the kitchen from the living area. They haven't put the stove in there yet, but you can see there's a gas connection, so you have the option for gas cooking. You can go gas or electric. There's two options there, gas or electric. And now for the master. You'll notice there is a lot of windows in here. 5 awesome windows for a lot of light. And again, the ceilings are great. Nice vaulted ceiling. And now we have the master. Now something that I want to point out right away is that this double vanity here is a little bit taller than some of the other vanities you might see, and I like that. I always find myself struggling with the lower vanities. This is not a real low vanity, so and I'm not super tall or anything, but I do notice when a vanity is really low, it really feels awkward. Now that just doesn't want to come into focus there for you, but we do have a commode area with a door, which is nice. And then one of my favorite areas is going to be the stand-up shower that this house comes with. All tiled, extra big. I mean, you probably could have fit a shower and tub there, if not for the closet, the linen closet here. But you don't have to worry about slipping when you come out of the shower. I mean, you just, can walk right out, and you don't have to mess with getting in and out of a tub. So that is very nice. And then for the walk-in closet, Now we'll head out to the backyard, get a shot of that. Step right out onto our covered patio. It's not a terribly large patio, but this is one of the smaller floor plans in this neighborhood. So you don't have a whole huge giant yard to take care of all the time. But that's okay, because water cost keeps going up and watering the lawn becomes a hassle. So easy maintenance. Now there's several more homes in here I'm going to get to later in the week. You know, there's a couple 2-stories, but this is one of the single stories that's available. Let me know what you liked most about the house. Was it the stand-up shower? Was it the granite in the kitchen, the high ceilings, or the floors? Or was it something else? Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see next, let me know and I'll get to it. Other than that, have a happy Mother's Day, and I'll see you on the next video.